Hi everyone, it's Ronnie with Plan to Eat. Today I want to tell you why Plan to Eat is different from other meal planning apps and companies. So number one is that Plan to Eat doesn't have any ads. We do not have any ads on our app or on our website so that you can meal plan and use the program free of any distractions. Number two is that we don't have any investors. Now you might think that having investors would be a good thing because it would allow a company to grow big and make a lot of money, but for the over 11 years that Plan to Eat has been around, we've never taken any investors. And that's because we don't want any other companies calling the shots or telling us what features we should put in our app. Plan to Eat is very customer driven. We are always accepting feature requests and we try to build features based off of what our customers need. Number three is that we don't take your payment info up front when you start a free trial. That means that when you start a free trial with Plan to Eat, there is no obligation to start a paid account when you are finished with your trial. And if you decide that Plan to Eat isn't right for you, you can just walk away. If you've never tried Plan to Eat before, there's a link in the description to get started with a free trial. And thanks for watching.